Hi, my sweets. So today we are going to open up our books and we are going to go to some of the very last pages in our book. So yesterday we did pages 12 and 13. You did your lowercase c's. Now we are going to go to pages 14 and 15. All right. My sweets, all you need is a pencil. So remember, I use a marker because otherwise you wouldn't be able to see if I just used a pencil. All right, it says that we need to write a lowercase c. Oh, what two flavors of ice cream does lowercase c only touch? Yeah, vanilla and chocolate. So we're not making any uppercase c's. Nope. We're going to write a lowercase c if the picture starts with the sound of C, like Cass. And if it doesn't, we're going to make an X. So my loves, this first picture is the picture of what is that? A cup. My turn first. Cup. Your turn. Cup. Does cup start with the letter C? It does. Lowercase c. So you're going to take your pencil. You're going to start under vanilla, lick chocolate. Do not go under the chocolate. Look. Vanilla and chocolate. That's it. All right. Park your pencil so you have nothing in your hands. What is this next picture a picture of? That's a spoon. My turn first. Spoon. Your turn. Spoon. Good. Does spoon start with the letter C? No. So are we going to make a C? No, we need to make an X. So we are going to make an X on the lines. I just go vanilla to chocolate for my X. Park your pencil. Now what do you see here? Yeah, that's her cooking cap. My turn first. Ready? Cooking cap. Cooking cap. Good. Does cooking cap start with the letter C? It does. So we're going to write lowercase c. Vanilla down to chocolate. Stop. So you're not going under chocolate or above vanilla. All right. Now we're going to move. You're going to put your pencil down so you have nothing in your hands. We're going to look and slide to the right to the next picture. What is that a picture of? Yeah, a picnic basket. So she's taking some of these things on a picnic, and she's going to need a picnic basket. Let's see if it starts with the letter C. My turn first. Ready? Picnic basket. Picnic basket. Does picnic basket start with C? No. So what do we need to make? Yeah, we need to make an X. Vanilla to chocolate. Vanilla to chocolate. Oof, what is this thing down here? Do you know what that is? Yeah, that's a cactus. My turn first. Cactus. Your turn. Cactus. Good. Does cactus start with the letter C? Lowercase c time. You are going to start at vanilla, go up, lick vanilla, lick chocolate. Stop. And one more. Your pencil's parked. Who's this sweet little animal? That's a cat. Yep. Do you remember her name? Coconut. My turn first. Coconut. Your turn. Coconut. Does coconut or cat start with the letter C? Yeah, right, lowercase c. Go up, lick vanilla, lick chocolate. All right, my loves, we're going to skip this for now, okay? We're going to come back to that. What I would like you to do is turn to the next page, to page 17. We're going to do this in just a second, okay? We're going to go here. We're going to do this last page, and then we're going to do this page here, okay? My loves, you're looking at page 17. Now, I want you to look at all of these things. Cass is taking all of these on a picnic. I'm going to read to you a little something that she's taking for her picnic and she's cooking out. So it says, Cass took a bite of everything and got a big surprise. When she looked at what she'd done, she saw a C in every one. Do you see the letter C? What I want you to do is take your finger and let's trace the letter C. What is this a picture of? Yeah, that's a hamburger. So trace the letter C shape that you see. We're just using your finger. Now let's go over here. What is this a picture of? It's actually a cookie. So I want you to trace the outside of the cookie, the letter C shape with your pen, where you're just using your finger. Now you're going to go down here. What's that? That's an orange slice. So you're going to trace the outside of the orange slice. All right. Ooh, what's that? Do you know what that is? That's pie. Trace the outside of the pie. That letter C shape. I love these. That's not a pickle. Do you know what that is? It's the thing that you have before it turns into a pickle. It's a cucumber. Yep. So trace the outside of the cucumber. And what are these? Yeah, pancakes. I love pancakes with the syrup. Trace the pancakes. Now, my loves, what I would like you to do is you're going to take your pencil. If the name of the picture starts with a C, we're going to trace the letter C that we see. C that we see. If it doesn't, we're not going to do anything. So what did we say this first picture was a picture of? Yeah, hamburger. My turn first. Hamburger. Your turn. Hamburger. Does that start with C? Nope. So we're not going to do anything. We're not crossing it off. If you cross it off, I know you weren't watching the video. We're not crossing it off. What did you remember what I said this next one was a picture of? She baked a cookie. My turn first. Cookie. Your turn. Cookie. Does cookie start with the letter C? Yep. So do you see the frosting right here? You can trace right on that frosting. Park your pencil. Oh, my neck gets so stiff from sitting here like this at the board all the time. All right, what is this? The orange slice. My turn first. Oh, orange slice. Oh, orange slice. Does that start with the letter C? No, we're not going to do anything. What is this next one? A picture of. Yeah, that was a pie. My turn first. Pie. Your turn. Pie. Does pie start with the letter C? No, we're not going to do anything. What is that next one? It's not a pickle. It's a cucumber. My turn first. Cucumber. Your turn. Cucumber. Does that start with the letter C? So watch. You're just going to trace around the outside of that letter C. All right. Now, my loves, we're going to look here at the last one. You see the pancakes. Your pencil's parked. My turn first. Pancakes. Your turn. Pancakes. Does that start with the letter C? No, the cake part does, but not pancakes. So nope, we're not going to do anything. Now, we're done. What I want you to do is you need your scissors and a pencil. That's it. Scissors, pencil. And if your daddy or your mommy or your granny has a stapler, ask them to get that. You should not use the stapler. Ask your grown-up to use the stapler. So get your pencil, your scissors, and then a stapler. Pause me if you need time to go get those things. You're going to turn back to this page. We're going to make our very own cookbook. And you can use this at home to make these things with your dad and your mom, or your granny, or your titi, okay? You're going to watch me first. You want to make sure you're only cutting this one page. Because if you cut this one, your grown-up will not be able to take a picture of it. So do not cut this. Make sure you only have one page. What you're going to do is you're going to put your scissors in your hand. Remember, your thumb is up. And you're going to cut on the pink line. I only want one page. I'm going to cut on the pink line. All right. Okay, that's what I want you to do. So I'm going to slide this over. I don't need that anymore. I want you to cut on the pink line and put it in front of you just like this. Go. I'm giving you time to cut on the pink line. Just this one page. Make sure you're only cutting the one page. Then, my loves, what you're going to do is you're going to cut on the blue line. You cut on the pink, you're going to cut on the blue. If you cut on the yellow, you're going to ruin your book. So you've got to listen so carefully. You're only cutting on the blue. So watch, I'm going to turn my paper because I'm only going to cut on the blue. My thumb is up. I see my thumb. This hand, my thumb is holding the paper. So I always say both thumbs should be up, okay? Now I'm going to cut. And I'm going to stay right on that blue line. All right. So you have these two pieces. You're done cutting. I'm giving you time to do it. What you are going to do now is you're going to take this top one that has Cass. This yellow line means fold. So what you're going to do is you are going to carefully fold the cat coconut behind. And you are going to line up the edges. Do you see how I want to line them up? I want both of these lines down here to be the same. And then I pinch and push. I gotta fix mine. There we go. All right, so both of my edges are lined up. So here's the top part. Cass is on the front. Now here, this yellow line means fold. So I'm gonna line up my edges and I'm gonna push here. Oh, could you hear that? That's my tummy growling, I'm hungry. All right. This is what it looks like. So you have Cass, and you have this little thing that we're gonna make. Watch me. Watch, are you ready? You have these two pieces. You are going to open up Cass. You're gonna put this one right inside. Look, you have these two pieces. Open up Cass. Put this little cat right inside. Now you can have your grown-up staple it. Where these little lines are is where the staple should go. If you don't have a stapler, it's okay. It'll stay together for you. It's fine. The first thing I want you to do is turn it over, write your name on the back. Take your pencil, write your name on the back. Once your name's on the back, park your pencil. Your name's on the back, and then you're going to turn it to the front. I'm going to read this to you, okay? It says, My Cookbook by Cass. Now, there are some letter C's on there. Do you see them? We need to trace them. So I want you to take your pencil. You're going to trace those two uppercase C's. My Cookbook by Cass. So you have a cookbook that Cass wrote just for you. So you are going to trace those two C's, park your pencil. My Cookbook by Cass. This is the cover of our book. And My Cookbook by Cass, My Cookbook is the title. That's the name of the book. So this book is not about playing outside. No. This book is not about farm animals. Nope. Or apples. Nope. It's a cookbook. It's about cooking. That's the title. The title is the name, and it tells you what the book's going to be about. And the author, the one who wrote it, is Cass by Cass. Say title. That's the name of the book. Say author. Good, that's Cass. And this top part is the cover. Say cover. All right, what I would like you to do is open up your book, open up the cover to the first two pages that you see. So here's your cookbook. She's telling you here how to make this delicious dessert, this treat. And you can make this at home. What are some of the things you see here in the picture that you will need if you want to make this treat at home with your parents or your granny? Yeah, you see carrots. Yep. Do you know what this orange fruit is? That's a cantaloupe. Say cantaloupe. Ooh, what's that white stuff in that container? And that's cottage cheese. And do you know what those little black, brown purple things are? Raisins, yeah. So you're gonna need raisins, cottage cheese, cantaloupe, and carrots. And what you're gonna do is in the hole of the cantaloupe, you could fill it with cottage cheese, put the raisins for the cat's eyes, nose, and mouth, and use the carrots for the ears, and then you could eat that little treat. So this teaches you how to make a cantaloupe cat. Say cantaloupe cat. Cantaloupe, cat. Take your pencil. There are 2 C's you need to trace. You need to trace the C on the left for cantaloupe and the C for cat. Say, ooh, yummy, yummy. Good, park your pencil. So Cass just taught you how to make a cantaloupe cat. All right, I want you to turn to the next page in your cookbook. Ooh, first we need to talk about the ingredients that we need. What you see here on the left. Yeah, you see bananas. What else do you see? These things are cherries. What's that stuff? Peanut butter. And those graham crackers. Yum! Now, what does it look like we're going to make on the right? Some kind of building, right? That's a castle. So we're going to make a crunchy castle. Say crunchy. Crunchy. Say castle. Castle. Awesome. I want you to trace the C for crunchy. Trace the C for castle. Maybe you're going to want to make this with your grown-ups at home. You use the peanut butter to stick the graham crackers together, and the bananas become the wall around your castle, and then the cherries are like the flags on the top. Awesome. All right, my loves, I want you to turn to the next page in your cookbook. All right. What are we going to make here? What do you see that we need? There's only really one ingredient. You know what that is? That's orange juice. Now, what are you going to need with the orange juice? Yeah, you're going to need little cups and popsicle sticks, because what you're going to do is make a popsicle. So you're going to open up the juice, pour some into a cup. Now, they don't show you this, but what I do is I take aluminum foil and I put that over the top so that your stick goes through the aluminum foil and your stick will be in the middle. Otherwise, your stick will lay on the side of the cup and then your popsicle will be crooked. So they should have foil on there too. This makes a cool cup because it's cool because you put it in the freezer. Say cool. Cool. Say cups. Cups. So then when you take it out of the freezer, you have your orange juice that is frozen into a popsicle. So you can make these at home. So you're going to take your pencil. You're going to trace the C for cool. And you're going to trace the C for cups. All right, my loves, this is it. And then this is the back cover. That's the end. So now you have your very own cookbook that you can use at home that Cass made for you. My loves, what you're going to do is you are going to have your grown-up take a picture of page 14 and a picture of page 17 and put those on into the red reading folder. And then if you want to show me your cookbook, you can too, okay? All right, my loves, I hope you have a wonderful weekend. You can keep this book at home since you uploaded all the pictures. If you did not upload pictures, I need you to send this book back on Monday. Otherwise, you can keep this at home because I have all the pictures of it, okay? That way your child can look through it and remember and review the letter C in its sound. All right, my dears, I love you, and I'll see you next week. Bye.